When you hear about the ketogenic diet, the first thing you perhaps think of is what could possibly make it as good as people say. The answer is, there are enough benefits to change your life. What exactly is a ketogenic diet? The keto program recommends a diet that is low on carbs, moderate on protein, and high in fat. The idea is to fine-tune nutritional intake in order to send the body into the metabolic state known as ketosis. The body enters a state of ketosis when it no longer has stores of glycogen sugar to fuel its energy needs. With the sugar out of the way, the body has no choice but to tap its stores of fat to get by. The liver converts fat reserves into ketones to present to the body as an energy source. This is why the keto program is a good way to lose fat. Here are the 7 benefits of the keto diet. Unlike other diets that offer practitioners a weight loss benefit and little else, the keto diet comes with several benefits. Weight loss. Without a doubt, weight loss is the primary goal of the keto diet. It works because it makes the body look to its fat reserves to power its metabolism. It can be interesting to go deeper into the process, however. When the body is deprived of carbs, it enters a state of ketosis. Blood sugar and insulin levels fall when that happens. As the body taps the energy in fat cells, they release considerable quantities of water, making for some great weight loss. The fat cells are then able to enter the bloodstream and make their way to the liver, where they are turned into ketones for energy processing. As long as your diet allows you to stay in a caloric deficit, you get to enjoy the weight loss benefits of the keto diet. It takes the edge off your appetite. When your diet isn't heavy on carbs, you'll find that you don't crave as much food as before. Many people who get on the keto diet are able to fast most of the day and only eat at meal times. They are simply not as hungry as before. Improved ability to focus. When you choose a regular diet that puts carbs into the body, your brain has to deal with the rise and fall in sugar levels that happens as a result. Inconsistent energy levels can make it hard for the brain to focus. With a keto diet, however, the energy source is constant and consistent. The brain is better able to stay focused. You feel more energetic. When you are on a regular diet, your body is always on the verge of running out of energy. You need to constantly eat and refuel. With a keto diet, however, the body taps its fat reserves, a nearly unending energy source. The body then is able to maintain constant energy levels throughout the day. The result is, you end up feeling a lot more energetic. It helps you fight diabetes. When you suffer from type 2 diabetes, your body experiences high levels of insulin. Since the keto diet takes excess sugar from your diet, it helps stabilize HbA1c counts and reverse type 2 diabetes. You get improved levels of cholesterol. HDL cholesterol helps get rid of the body's bad cholesterol reserves. When you are on keto, your body's triglyceride levels fall and your HDL cholesterol level rises. You get better blood pressure. When you are on the keto diet, it drops your blood pressure. The keto diet can change a person's life. It isn't a difficult diet to get on either. There are plenty of great recipes for the keto diet. All it takes is the willingness to give it a shot. If you want to know more about the keto diet, you can visit our website. You can access all the keto resources we have for free. The link is in the description below. Thank you.